right, so let's get ready for lesson 2.1. And you look at our essential question. How do you group tens as 100s? So that's our lesson focus for the day, grouping those tens into hundreds. So let's look here. We have all these unit cubes, and it says to circle groups of 10. And then we'll count the groups of 10. Well, let's see what we have. I'm going to go across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, look at that. We have a group of 10 right there. And I know something. I know that if this is a group of 10, then so is this. In fact, every one of these rows is going to be a group of 10. So I'm going to circle those. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 tens. And second graders, 10 tens will equal 100. And that's the purpose of this lesson, to know that 10 tens equal 100. So let's go ahead and let's move into page 76 and let's see what we can do. Oh, and look at the top of page 76. Here we go. 10 tens is the same as 100. So we have over here 10 10 sticks equals 100 cube. So 10 tens equals 100, which is the number 100. They've started number 1 for us. Let's look at the rest of it. It says, write how many tens? Well, we had 20 10 sticks, and we could count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there's 20 tens there. Now remember, we can take 10 tens and circle them, and that's going to equal hundreds. Well, this is 100. This is another 100. So we have 2 hundreds here, which equals the number 200, 200. Now let's look at number 2. On number 2, I need to first of all count my number of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle that because there's 100. Now I was at 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, that means I have 10 more. So far I have 20 tens. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There's another 100. So I have 30 tens. And when I have 30 tens, I also have 1, 2, 3 hundreds. So now 30 tens or 300s equals the number 300. You will do the same situation on number 3 and number 4. You'll count your 10 sticks, circle groups of 10, and then write how many hundreds that is. So 3 and 4 I'm going to let you do on your own. Let's look at page 77, page 77. Same thing. We're going to count our tens and then see how many hundreds we have and then write the number. Let's go ahead and do number 5 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's 100. Call that 100 block. We have 10 tens. And this looks like another group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it is. Look at that. Another group of 10. I bet this is another group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It sure is. In fact, as I'm going down, I can tell, well, that's another group of 10 tens. Here's a group of 10 tens. And here's a group of 10 tens. And I know that because all of our pictures are drawn in straight lines. Very organized. So now I have my picture. So let's see how many 10 sticks that I had. Well, I know I had 10 tens in each one of my boxes. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 tens. Now I kind of cheated there. I could have counted each one of those 10 sticks, but I know every time I circled 10 of them, I could count by tens to find that answer. Now I have to know how many hundreds I have. Well, let's see how many 100 blocks that I circled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 hundreds there. And 70 tens is the same as 7 hundreds and the same as the number 700. So that's how I would do number 5. I'm going to let you do 6 and 7. And again, you'll do it the same way. Look for groups of 10, circle those 10 tens, and then count your hundreds and then what that number will be. Let's skip down to number 8. And number 8, it says, Wally has 400 cards. How many stacks of 10 cards can he make? In other words, 400 equals how many tens? Well, I'm going to kind of draw a picture to help me here. I know that if I have a 100 cube, that is 10 tens. So I'm going to draw a 100 cube. And I could even draw my 10 sticks in there if I wanted to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice I drew them really small this time. So each 100 block has 10 tens. Well, I have 400, which means I have 400 blocks. Remember, because up here we learned that our 100 blocks equals 10 tens. So here's 100, 200, 300, 400. Inside of each of these 100 blocks are 10 tens. So how many tens can he have? Well, he has 10, 20, 30, 40. He can have 40 stacks of 10. Because here, I could even draw my 10 sticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the same thing there. And that would equal 40. If you need a little more help, use a QR code and it'll show you a video that'll teach you the exact same way how to do that problem. Same thing, let's look at number 9. Mrs. Martin has 80 boxes of paper clips, 80 boxes. And there are 10 clips in each box. So how many paper clips does she have? Oh goodness, so she has 80 boxes of 10 paper clips. In other words, she has 80 tens. Let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, that's 10 of the boxes, but she has 80 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 20 boxes. And I could keep drawing my picture to show how many paper clips she has. This time I'm just going to draw this and say 10. There's 10 there to save some time. 10 more, and all these would have 10 sticks in them, okay? So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So there's 80 tens there. Now notice, though, this would be 100 because 10 tens equals 100, right? So I would have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Oh my goodness, Mrs. Martin has 800 paper clips. She must be a lot like me because I like paper clips. So let me explain that one more time. She had 80 boxes of 10, so that's 80 10 sticks. I started off drawing my first 20 10 sticks, but that was going to take a long time. So then I just started making, well, here's a group of 10, 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 group of 10. Now each of these has 10 10 sticks in it. Remember, we learned in the first page, 10 10s equals 100. So then I can count the paper clips. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. And that's how I do number 9. On number 10, I'm going to let you try that one on your own. Don't forget, if you have any questions, please get a hold of me and I will help you with any of the ones I did not demonstrate how to do. Good luck!